Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be making Christmas sugar cookies. Now, before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, let's open it. Look at them. They look so cool. Oh my goodness. They look so good. Okay, let's put them on the pan. Okay, let's put it in the oven. And by the way, guys, the box says it's safe to eat raw. So let's try it. It's so good. And you guys, it has like a little like play thing at the back. You can just like cut the trees, put them on top of each other, and it'll look like that. Alright, let's get them out. It looks so good. Now let's wait a few minutes for them to cool off. Okay guys, let's try them. 3, 2, 1. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, and Merry Christmas.